Welcome to MTS Technik. My name is Kacper, I am an engineer here. This is our workshop, and in this video I'd like to present you our coilover suspension kit designed by us for Nissan 350Z and Infiniti Q35 Coupe. This variant is available in two versions, street and stance. They differ in spring type and spring stiffness. Front suspension features two threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, both with hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of clamping screws, they significantly enhance the ease of height adjustment. The springs are manufactured by a German company eibach. In street variant, we've got progressive front springs and ERS type springs with linear characteristic. In stance variant, both front and rear suspension use ERS type springs with linear characteristic and helper springs that provide preload for the mainspring. ERS type springs, thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. The rear suspension is equipped with two performance shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, with increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. Moreover, our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps for the rear or rear and front axle in case of stance variant, and black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. In the box, besides the kit itself, you will also find two MTS Technik stickers, an adjustment wrench, and any necessary documentation. Thanks for watching.